Conrad K. Sangma on Saturday felicitated achievers of the SSLC Examination 2026 from the Garo Hills region at a function held at his residence in Tura. The felicitation program was organized to recognize meritorious students who secured outstanding results in the board examination this year. Congratulating the toppers, the Chief Minister said their achievement is a testament to their hard work, perseverance and commitment, bringing laurels to the state. In his address, Sangma exhorted the students to stay focused and pursue excellence in underlining that education remains a key driver in shaping Meghalaya's future. He called upon the young achievers to utilize their knowledge and skills for the betterment of society. Highlighting the role of stakeholders, he underscored the contribution of parents, teachers and educational institutions in nurturing talent and fostering academic success. He noted that a collaborative approach is imperative to strengthen the education sector in the state. The Chief Minister stating that resilience and a positive mindset are crucial in overcoming adversities. Emphasizing values and character, he maintained that success devoid of humility and integrity holds little meaning, urging students to remain grounded and uphold respect for elders. The program culminated with the distribution of certificates and tokens of appreciation to the toppers. Parents, teachers and well-wishers in attendance lauded the achievements of the students and appreciated the state government's continued thrust on education and youth development.
Nurturing the mind. It's about supporting the children when they need the support. And I think that is what you have been successfully in. While education, course material, all of this is important, we must look at shaping the children in the right direction, because shaping them in the right direction is shaping the state and the country's future in the right direction. I congratulate you, congratulate the parents, congratulate all the officials who are here, and once again I thank all of you for making your time. I know it's been raining a lot, and let me assure you that as we come closer towards the end of the program, the rain also will stop raining. I've always experienced this. It always happens to me, or at least I've noticed. Whenever I'm there, always a lot of noise will happen. Then suddenly when the main program is over, suddenly everything is fine. So that is how challenges happen in life. I think what is important for us is to be able to accept those challenges, work towards it, never give up, always be positive in life. And last but not the least, this I tell everybody in life, whether it's officers, whether it's parents, whether it's principals, or whether it's students. Remember, nothing will matter, no success will matter in life if at the end of the day you cannot be a good human being. Please remember, you have to remember to always be humble in life. Be grounded in life. Never forget your roots. If you forget all of that, and even if you're the topper and become the most arrogant person in life, then I'm sorry to tell you, you will not have a great life, you will not be able to succeed in life. Because without humility, without fear of God, without respect for elders, there is no quality in your life. With these few words, once again, I thank all of you. I wish all the students the very best for your future. I wish all the principals of the schools the very best for your future. May God bless each and every one of you, and may God bless our beautiful state of Meghalaya. To bless you good, Bathela and Jai Hind.